The concat function is a very useful string function in Excel. It allows you to join two or more strings together. The concat function is only available in newer versions of Excel, starting in Excel 2016, and was intended to replace the old concatenate function. To illustrate how the concat function works, let's look at an example. Here we have 4 columns of data. Let's use the concat function to join the values from these 4 columns into a single result. To get started, let's begin by entering the concat command. As you can see, the concat function takes a series of text values as parameters. You must provide at least one text value, and the function can accept up to 255 values in total. And the resulting string can be up to a maximum of 8,192 characters in length. Since we want to concatenate the values from columns A to D, we will enter A2 as the first parameter, B2 as the second, C2 as the third, and finally D2 as the fourth parameter. Now that we have entered all of the parameters for the concat function, let's complete the command to look at our result. You should see the value ABCD appear in cell E2. This is the concatenated values from cells A2, B2, C2, and D2. Now let's copy our formula into cells E3 to E5. Notice that the result in cell E3 contains the value 1234 as a string value. It is important to note that the concat function will convert all parameters to strings before concatenating them together into the final result. So in this example, the numeric values 1, 2, 3, 4 were first converted to strings and then concatenated together to create the string value 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, the result in cell E4 contains techonthenet.com. And finally, this last result in cell E5 concatenates the values in cells A5, B5, C5, and D5 and returns the string value alphabet. As you can see, the concatenate function will accept blank cells as parameters such as C5 and D5. This completes our example of how to use Excel's concat function. If you would like to see more concat examples or would like to download the sample data we use for this tutorial, please visit our website at techonthenet.com. If you found our tutorial helpful, please leave a like on this video and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great Excel tutorials.